Hey guys, holidays are coming and Google is introduced a couple of very funny, nice and neat timers for your kitchen. We are going to demonstrate a couple of them here and you can try your home in this Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Hey Google, set a timer for pumpkin pie.
Sure. Pumpkin pie. For how long?
1 minute.
All right. A 1-minute timer called pumpkin pie. Starting now.
Hey Google, set a timer for pasta.
Sure. Pasta. For how long?
1 minute.
Second timer. Pasta. For 1 minute. And that's starting now.
Hey Google, set a timer for pizza.
All right. Pizza. For how long?
1 minute.
Third timer. Pizza. For 1 minute. And that's starting now.
And now, let's wait and see.
Your pumpkin pie timer is up.
Hey Google, stop.
Your pasta timer is up.
Hey Google, stop.
Your pizza timer is up.
Hey guys, there are a few more other interesting timers that you can try with Google Home. This will both work with Google Home or any Google Smart Display. I'm using here Lenovo Smart Display that integrated with the Google Assistant. So if you have a Google Home display or Lenovo, either one, that's gonna work. Hey Google, set a timer for coffee.
All right. Coffee. For how long?
30 seconds.
All right. A 30-second timer called coffee. Starting now.
Your coffee timer is up.
Hey Google, set a cookie timer.
Okay. Cookie. For how long?
30 seconds.
All right. A 30-second timer called cookie. Starting now.
Yay!
Your cookie timer is up.
Hey Google, stop. That's interesting anyway, but I have to stop. Hey Google, set a timer for cake.
Sure. Cake. For how long?
30 seconds.
All right. A 30-second timer called cake. And we're starting now.
Look like it is a birthday cake. I can see a candle over there.
Your cake timer is up.
Hey Google, set a timer for chicken.
Alright, chicken. For how long?
30 seconds.
Okay, a 30-second timer called chicken. And we're starting now.
Mm-hmm. That's not bad.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey, do you have a timer for me?
Yes, you have a timer called chicken.
Good.
Your chicken timer is up.
Hey Google, stop. Hey, I like the timer. That's interesting. Hey Google, set a timer for macaroni.
Alright, macaroni. For how long?
30 seconds.
Sure, a 30-second timer called macaroni. And that's starting now.
Hey guys, do you think this is gonna be more fun with all these animations from Google? Let us see.
Your macaroni timer is up.
Hey Google, stop.